ओम नमो भैरवाय नमो नमः। ओम नमो भैरवाय स्वाहा। भैरवाय कालिके नमोस्तुते। जय श्री गुरु बामा ख्यापा, जय श्री गुरु श्यामा ख्यापा, जय श्री गुरु प्रवीण राधा कृष्णा। जय ख्यापा परंपरा। जय माँ, जय माँ आद्या महाकाली। जय माँ, जय माँ। Yo, I'm just like at a function, a family function, and I know I wanted to be completely isolated and focused on my goals, but we're at this. So there's this whole event place. I mean, I can show you guys if you want, but so I just ate food from there and I walked out to this huge empty lawn here, and I love it. And I even got like quite ready today, and I told Ma ki, um, like I'm getting ready for you, like I'm getting like all princely, almost like a prince. I try to go for a royal prince type vibe. uh, like I hope, like some people liked it. I don't know if it looks weird or whatever, but yeah, I like my outfit also, like as you can see. Wait, I'll do a fit check. So yeah, today I couldn't do the sadhana in my asana, so I had to low-key do it in the car on the way here, since it's a long route or whatever. I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys like a fit check. Oh wait, yeah. So this was my fit, guys. Yeah. So white on cream. I think it looks nice. And of course we got the Timbs on, because hell yeah, I like my Timberlands. And yeah, I even met this cute dog who's barking right now. And yeah, I was playing with him. I was just playing with him in the field. So I don't know what to talk about, but I just liked this. Is this huge, fucking huge space, right? And I thought that maybe, fuck the camera quality, fuck the audio quality, like just fuck that shit, and let's just let me just shoot a vlog here, because I feel like I've been overthinking my vlogs. Like, this is supposed to be raw. This doesn't need a fucking expensive mic and expensive my camera, or like like the ring light that I use. It doesn't need any of this. This could just be my phone, me in like this huge lawn, and just whatever is on my mind right now. So I guess I just met this. I didn't meet her. I saw this cute person, this cute girl at this event today, and it was fine. Like, I guess some of my practices of Kundalini practices and just the retention practices have made me a little more weirdly, I kind of consider mid or like normal people as something prettier than they are. My sister is calling me right now. So anyway, she even tried to approach me. She came and sat next to me. She didn't try to approach me per se, but like I've had like a perfect window, so to say. But I just realized that maybe not for me, man. Maybe right now I'm just like not in a space to even like entertain the idea of like being with females or like anything of that sort. I'm just like so focused on becoming Bhairava first, like before even trying to approach Shakti. So yeah, that's where my head is at today. My sister is calling me because I just stepped out of the function, and तुम देख रहे होगे पीछे कितना बड़ा ग्राउंड है. तो I couldn't even get like 5 minutes of alone time to film this, but I'll just take you there. Fuck it. So yeah, I mean, what else is on my mind today? Yeah, social events mein, you have to socialize, because as a sadhaka or as an intense practitioner of meditation and hard work, of isolated hard work. You can't escape from society, you can't escape from social events, because I believe that someone who has higher states of consciousness is someone who can be completely isolated, be Shiva, the ascetic yogi, and at the same time go into society and interact with everyone like normal, or like even in fact like more just a higher consciousness. They don't need to think so much about all this. But I still am at a nascent stage where not that socializing drains me. I'm not like a super introverted person and I get drained and I can't be like in public places or anything. Like I can do that, but it's just that I don't know, it looks pretty, you can see. So I won't dox it more, but yeah, short vlog. And if today, I don't know, if I have to put forth a lesson today, or like not even like a lesson, but like more like कैसे बोलूँ अब मैं, more like what the point of this video is just to keep going. And I hope that yeah, like everything works out for me, man, because I have these really big dreams. Like I have these really big dreams, really big. These are the cute dogs. But they're getting a little shy right now. So yeah, anyways, that was on my mind, and I actually fucking tried really fucking hard to just kind of restrain myself from like going and talking to people and just being the old me, because I guess the new me is more about isolation and focusing on myself, yet trying to be like normal in society and like not reveal or tell everyone that I meet that I'm going through this journey, or I don't even feel like the need to tell anyone about all this stuff, because whenever I try to do that, it's just this. I've stopped doing that, so I don't do that anymore, and I'm not gonna do that anymore. Yeah, I'm sorry that this came out more like a random yapping session, but like I don't even know what to talk about. It's just that I know for a fact that if I just don't film this right now and just go home, that I'll be just too fucking tired to even film an episode today, and then it'll not be anything great. It'll just be that an episode of the vlog would be missed. So I'm really trying hard to like be regular with this shit. So yeah, this is the episode. I mean, it's a weird episode. It doesn't really have anything to talk about, but it is what it is. And yeah, maybe some better content will be coming soon. So yeah, you know what, actually I don't know why my sister called me, because I saw her and now she's not here anymore. So I'll just go back and give more thoughts, because it's just a 10-minute video till now, and I think I can talk for like at least 30 minutes. And all that is just something I want to practice, right? And I'm pretty sure that 100% of people would have clicked off from this video now, and it's just me watching. But it's whatever, man. It's whatever at this point. Oh, she's right here actually. Okay, wait, I'll not show this because he could watch it. मैं यहीं पे अपना व्लॉग बना रहा था, फिर तूने मुझे कॉल किया तो मैं आया, और मैं तुमको नहीं दूंगा क्योंकि शायद इसीलिए yeah, so yeah, I don't know what to talk about. I don't know. It's just that it's really cold out here. I'm back in the lawn area, and yeah, I think I'll need to set the camera down somewhere so I can speak freely. So I'll try doing that. Let me find a spot to set it down. Okay, we'll talk about my. What should we talk about? My connection with Rudra. We can talk about that all day, all the time. We can talk about that. So, should we talk about what should we talk about, guys? I don't even know. No one. I think people are watching this channel, but it's just like I don't know if what you guys want me to talk about. And I'm not a guru. I'm not a spiritual guru channel of any kind, because if that were the case, then I would know what to talk about. Like, I could talk about deities and I could talk about XYZ, and I'm not trying to be a guru eventually also. Like, I'm not trying to eventually become a guru or anything. It's just more of a cool, raw, old school YouTube journaling, old school style. You know how YouTubers used to treat like YouTube like a diary, like a journal. Like, it's that. And it's gonna be this. Super random, super wherever, whatever the fuck. And as you can see, me setting up the camera taking so much time. But I think I finally found a good shot. I think that this is a good shot. Yeah, anyways, wait. Yeah. So, what should we talk about? Okay. So, something that I'm really fucking excited for is the Feb 15th Feb 15th event that's going to happen, that Praveen Radhakrishna sir is going to come, and the theme is Krishna is Kali. So that's a really interesting theme, because in the beginning of my so this is finally something I can talk about, like finally a good topic that came in my head. So my connection with Krishna, right? So what happened with me personally is like so I love deities. That I got obsessed with deities after I met Rudra. After Rudra came to me, rather. I feel like Rudra chose me almost. And ever since then, there has been this non-stop kind of like connection, like with him. And then as I found out about, Ma Kali and, how really this all works, like how the universe works, as I like truly spent hours on researching the lens via which the ancient rishis viewed the world, how they downloaded from the subtle or like whatever subconscious or like the mass unconscious, how they downloaded the secrets or the truths of how the structure of this universe is. I started to lean into it, and I'm not saying that I 1000% believe in everything that they talk about. And one of the interesting things that you could do is probably watch this recent episode of Ranveer with Dr. K in it. And I watched it because I like Dr. K. I have seen Dr. K's videos like a few years back, because I used to follow this Twitch streamer called XQC. So yeah, and so I didn't used to like follow all of his content, but there was this Dr. K video that for some reason came in my feed, because maybe I don't know why it came, but it was with all these streamers. So I found out about Dr. K like that, because he was active in such live streamer circles. So I was quite curious about Dr. K talking about Kundalini. And as he talked about all this stuff, it made so much sense to me, because he speaks from a both, analytical scientific lens, from a psychiatric lens, and while understanding the structure of the brain, the structure of these pineal gland, serotonin, from a chemistry sort of a standpoint where serotonin and dimethyltryptamine is linked. So that really interested me because I have an analytical brain. I have a scientific, lens of looking at the world in general. I love physics. Literally, I love physics. Like, physics is one of the physics is one of my favorite subjects. It was my favorite subject in 11th and 12th, but it's just that maths and chemistry I wasn't too fond of, and in general I was just too creative as a person to go into engineering, or I felt like I couldn't do it. I wasn't good at mathematics. I wasn't good at all that stuff. I was just naturally better at creative work. So yeah, anyways, so this happened, and so the vlog happened. I meant coming back to the vlog, the podcast. It really showed me the side of like, okay, here's a guy who is like a Harvard medical student. He like did Harvard, so he knows what the fuck he's talking about, and what? I'm so fucking tired of squatting down. So here's a guy from Harvard who knows what he's talking about, and he's talking about like Kundalini, and he's talking about the various chakras and the chakra practices that you could do to sort of activate each chakra, or to activate the essence of each chakra. And yeah, so I was like so amazed by all this stuff, because I was like, I want to rise my Kundalini. And people ask me that, why do you want to do that? Like, do you know why do you want to rise your Kundalini? Why do you want to work on your chakras? Or do you just want to do it because it's something you've searched upon or read, or whatever? And I'm like, now I know why I want to do it, because if you don't do it, then the world will control your chakras. That's literally it. The world can control your chakras. If you don't master your chakras, the world will make use of it. They will make you a slave to you, whatever they want, like advertisements, like whatever, man. The fucking world owns you then. And if you are a true fucking punk, if you follow me, you know that this is a fucking punk channel. I'm fucking punk. The deities that I love the most are the most punk. So the whole idea of being a punk is to reject control, to reject authority. Not to reject authority, but like to question authority always, and to always associate with free thinking and being free and breaking free. So chakras and Kundalini is to be done, not because you heard about it, or like because I read about it, or because I think it's cool or whatever, but it's because I want to control my my base desires. I want to control my power desires. I want to control my heart, my love. I want to control my speech. I don't want it to be manipulated by the Maya, or by other people, or by other whatever the matrix is pushing me with advertisements or whatever. So that's why I want to do this. That's why I want to rise my Kundalini. That's why I want to work on each of my chakras. And I feel like semen retention, tying back into the earlier statement that I feel weird about normal women. I seem to like elevate them to some sort of like status or whatever. They're just normal women, and I put them on a pedestal, and I always fail to look at myself. I always question myself. I always doubt myself. I always I'm shy, or like not shy. I'm pretty confident. I'm not shy. I'm more like I think that I'm not like these girls are out of my league or whatever, and like, dude, that's not the case. I know I'm now that I am like months and months into sadhana, months and months into semen retention. Even though I relapsed, even though I did that, I still feel strong. I still feel like I'm growing. And I think that you can see it. Like, you can just see it in my face. You can see it in my eyes. Literally, since stopping weed, my eyes are like literally white. They used to be red, bro. They used to be like like blood red. Or both my eyes were red as fuck. And now look, my eyes are white. You can see it. So, definitely all of this stuff is helping me grow. I would never have done this as a, before I would never have done just like एक शादी में आके बाहर ऐसे चला गया ज़मीन कह रहा हूँ like एक मैदान पे और like just randomly कुछ भी बोल रहा हूँ कैमरा से आधे घंटे के लिए. ये मैं कभी नहीं करता पहले. But I guess I just have so much to talk about and so much to express that I don't know, man. I still feel like I should maybe write more or like think more about specific Kundalini practices, because I want to work mainly on my Mooladhara, because I feel like अभी Mooladhara पे बहुत काम करना है. That's what I feel the pull towards most. These sexual desires, all this desire for sex, power, money, fame, especially money and sex and power and like this like recognition of my music and all. But it's a long road, and I'll make sure to make the next video about chakras and Kundalini, because right now my family is calling me again, so I gotta run. But yeah, Bhairavaya Kalike Namostate. Bye.